if this parent is very, very highly stressed out, what will happen to the child? Sorry? Yeah, stress from both the ends. So the child already is seeing the examination and the parents are also stressed out. Right? And on the other hand, imagine if this parent is not stressed out, then what happens? This whole cycle gets broken. The way exam is being looked at least some part of it is taken away. And that takes us back to what you were saying, that all these negative emotions can be used, can be good. So a little amount of fear is good. A little amount of anxiety is good. It pushes you. It makes you take action. It drives you. It creates a certain amount of urgency in you, because of which you end up doing things which you would have otherwise not done. So every emotion, every negative emotion is good in small quantities. Sometimes in small frequencies, a very extreme negative emotions is also okay. But we're talking about what are the three ways in which it can get impacted. First is the fear of exam itself. Second is what is going on inside the child's mind, so how that is being interpreted. And then the third, how parents are creating it, parents or supporters are creating it. So each one of you can start looking at who are the people who you care about, who are the people whose opinion is going on in your mind. And if you're in the role of a supporter, then start looking at who are the people who you are supporting and what can you possibly do. The first thing that you can do is start dealing with your own stress. Start dealing with your own stress. Why do you want the child to be very, very stressed out, to be having that kind of pressure, fear? Because you are dealing with your own issues. You're dealing with your own issues. And if you start becoming cheerful, light, and you start transforming the space inside your home, where the child is going to be spending maximum number of hours, having the maximum number of interactions, the most powerful interactions with you. Imagine the kind of thing that's possible. You start becoming positive, this whole charge starts disappearing. Some part of this also starts disappearing, and what is left is the healthy amount of negative emotion, which is going to fuel and take the child forward. That brings us back to the core question. Everyone agrees to this? Agreed? Parents? Agreed? If this can happen, we still haven't gotten to how can it be done. That's the next part of our work. Right? Do you agree to this? If we are able to somehow deal with our negative emotions, we will be able to create a much better atmosphere for ourselves, for our challenges, for our exams, and then for everyone else who we are supporting, we can go on and create a certain lightness about them. Lightness for the challenges that they are taking, lightness for the exams that they are taking, all of it. Right? But how do we do that? I wish there was a magic wand which you just did something like this and the stress would disappear.
If you got a good kind of counseling child.
Right. So let's look at what all can be done. Counseling. Okay. So what can we do to reduce the stress? Counseling. By who?
Parents, by teachers.
Okay. But who? What about the parents themselves? If they themselves are stressed, angry, disturbed, or for that matter concerned.
They have to understand the situation when they are not able to solution. They have to come to the terms itself.
Right.
That is the condition. Then we have to give a condition.
Right. Right.
So that in the form like the hour should be created out.
Right.
For example, the hour.
Right.
The height which has been created.
Right.
That should be removed.
Right. Right. Right.
So that type of as measurement positivity, try to convince him.
Right.
Or my suggestion of positive affirmation.
Okay. Affirmations.
Positive affirmation.
Affirmations or positive thinking. ठीक है.
Show reality.
Okay. Incident.
Just the capability of our own
Show reality.
Right.
far it can go.
It's
Right.
the same thing happened with me.
Uh-huh.
I have example.
Okay.
Yesterday, what happened? Today, my daughter's paper is civics, and totally, she was well prepared. But even then, yesterday she was crying.
Right.
I asked about why you are crying. But I feel that I forgot everything. So that time, what I did, just I used the touch therapy, love and affection.
Right, right.
And what type of thing means what happened, same with me at that moment. That also
You shared with.
yes, I shared with her.
Fantastic. So sharing is a great tool. When you share that it is okay to be vulnerable. Yeah. The child connects with one's own humanity. When you share your humanity, that you have been through it and it's okay. It's okay to feel the fear. Then you suddenly, if just imagine you're sitting and watching TV and suddenly there is a power failure. Okay, what is the first thing that you do? Okay. Okay, what else do you do? What's the next thing that you do? Sorry? Okay, what else?
And then you use aesthetic pressure on the step by step we have to go. Why it has to happen that moment when
Yeah, so first you curse and crib and it had to go at this time only.
missed out so much.
हाँ वो अभी हिट करने वाला था लास्ट 2 balls पे ही जाना था right so you curse and crib right you do all of that and then what do you do
Accept and go ahead. कोई सब आगे रहता
oh my god we've got saints all around here I'll have to come and check I'll have to ask your wife about it
I'd like to add here,
Yes.
one should be ready all the time for the worst situation.
okay
The worst situation.
Okay.
Be ready.
Okay.
Any damn situation can come.
Right.
I'm ready to face it.
right absolutely
Definitely going to lose a lot of this.
absolutely that can be a very nice thing to do but what do you do when the light goes off what do you do
Nothing.
you do nothing Okay.
It's the part of the life.
don't we the first thing that we do is
That is a momentary thing.
the first thing
Psychological level.
tell me if this is what happens the first thing that we do is yeah absolutely that is what I was waiting for okay and what happens when you realize that uska bhi gaya hua hai tab kya hota hai then you're comfortable then you suddenly come out and start chatting with your neighbors yeah and then you create an agreement और फिर सब लोग मिलके कर्ब क्रिस करते हैं कि लोग ऐसा ही है ऐसा ही करता है कभी टाइम पे नहीं आता फोन नहीं रखता all of that so you'll do all of that
come to the ground.
yeah you come down to the ground right exactly so why am I talking about it sharing there's a great learning here okay something bad happens to us as soon as we realize that it is okay it is happening to a lot of other people also it has happened to someone before it is a part of the existence feeling the exam fear is a part of the existence as soon as you share that the child realizes oh it's okay yeah fear is there so the fear which was at this level this whole part disappears this part starts disappearing it may not completely disappear but a part of it the edge of it becomes blunt yeah right when you share by the sharing it becomes an okay phenomenon it's okay to fall down it's okay to rise up again after that right so it's okay to feel the fear and it's okay after that to appear for the exam also it's okay to feel the fear and still it is okay to go and appear for the exam
Just telling her I did one thing. Just I told him, you have ample of knowledge. You have actually completed your portion also, and you can give all the answers without
Right.
any hesitation and without interrupting.
Right.
You can give all the answers.
right
So I asking, going on, just asking question to him.
Right.
And just giving answers to.
Right, right.
Build up the confidence, and he came up wrong.
And where is all this happening? If you really look at it, where is all this happening? Where is all this happening?
Where it's
It is happening in the language. Yeah. This is really important. This is very relevant. Yeah. I'm saying, where is all this happening? This is happening through the language. Yeah. When you're counseling, you're using the language.